Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the mouse and MacBook Air. Make sure the mouse has charge and Bluetooth is active. On your Mac, open System Settings and go directly to Bluetooth. Once there, power on the Apple mouse and keep it within 3 feet so pairing can begin. You will see the mouse appear in the device list. If it doesn't, toggle Bluetooth off and on. When the device name shows, click Connect to initiate pairing. This gets you past the initial handshake quickly and reliably. Once connected, open the mouse pane in System Settings to adjust behavior. You can set tracking speed, scrolling direction, and enable secondary click so right-click works as you expect. For gestures, enable or disable swipe actions and check gesture sensitivity. This matches how you use the MacBook trackpad for consistency. Make sure tracking speed sits between 30% and 60% to avoid overshoot. After adjusting, test cursor movement and clicks in a Finder window to confirm the settings feel natural. To finish, verify performance across common apps. Browse in Safari, scroll documents, and try drag and drop in Finder. If the mouse stutters or disconnects, remove it from Bluetooth devices and pair again. This often clears pairing glitches. If problems persist, restart Bluetooth or reboot the MacBook Air. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure Mac OS is up to date. Persistent Bluetooth faults may need an SMC or NVRAM reset. That final step usually resolves deep connectivity issues and restores stable mouse behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.